Hey you guys, what is up? How are you doing? What are you doing? If you don't know by now, my name is Ellen Marie and today we're going to get into the nitty gritty, okay? In a couple videos back, I told y'all that I am really struggling with my scalp right now. My scalp has been really off, so today we're going to try to conquer that and we're going to be using some new products. But first I want to show y'all like what my scalp is looking like. This is about a week old hair. My scalp is really dirty, a lot of buildup and a lot of dandruff and some flaking going on throughout my hair because of products. And just like I said, my scalp is just going crazy. So here I'm showing y'all my scalp and ooh baby, we just gonna get it together, okay? So today we're gonna be using the Curlsmith Detox Microbiome Scalp System. This is new to me and they contain 3 products, but I added an extra product just because I want it to be extra. But these are the 3 products, so let's get into it. And just an FYI, this system is catered towards people that have scalp problems, dandruff, and itchy scalp. So let's go ahead and get into it. I do want to start out by saying that I never pay attention to directions, but I'm going to do that this time. And for step 1, we're going to go in with their Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. This says to apply on wet hair, gently massaging it into your scalp. While the prebiotics are working, make your way down the hair lengths, finger detangling, and do not rinse. Now this smells super good. It smells kind of like a sweet treat. The consistency had me a little confused. I was a little thrown off. I thought it was going to be lighter, but it felt like a conditioner to me. So we're going to go in, and one thing I do like about this whole collection of this trio is that it does come with this, and I like to pre-poo, so I love this for me. Now when applying this, y'all, my hair, I applied a lot, and as y'all can see, my hair is soaking it up. Like there's no white residue. Everything is going into my hair. It's soaking it up. It's eating it up. It is penetrating it, y'all, and it felt really good. It was a little lightweight, but I really liked the way that it made my hair feel. And for my hair to be dirty, my hair was feeling like really good, okay? So like usual for my pre-poo steps, I'm just going to go ahead, apply it, and then start detangling and sectioning my hair off to detangle properly. Y'all know that I'm not a finger detangler girl, but my hair was knotted, but I really didn't need a finger detangle with this. I noticed that this really melted into my hair and gave me lots of slip. But this says that the prebiotics are nutritive compounds that impact the activity of beneficial microorganisms and can help to increase the number of good bacteria on your hair and scalp. And I did not know that. I love that Curlsmith gives you like the real science behind it, and I really appreciate it. But y'all, look at the hair. Look at the hair, y'all. Do y'all see the hair? It looks so good. Now some of the ingredients for this is fermented rice water. It is being used for centuries in Asia as a hair treatment. It says the clarifying can be a bit drying, so protecting your strands is key. Our primer acts as a shield to protect the curls from moisture loss while your shampoo clarifies the scalp. And y'all, it was moisturizing my hair. My hair felt so good. So it was just wonderful. Like y'all, look at my hair. My hair is shiny. The curls are popping. Like my hair just looks so good. This also does contain natural fructose, torn nettle leaves, dragon fruit juice, guarana extract, grated ginger root, and then also fermented rice water. Y'all, I did not know you could put all this in like hair products. So I'm like super astonished, and my hair was loving it. My hair was eating it up. The girls was loving it. The curls was loving it. Okay, all right. For somebody like me that loves to pre-poo my hair, this is a great alternative and a great option. This does range from about $20 to $30. I will leave the price on the screen and in the description box below. But I think this is a good investment because this pre-poo, it just went through my hair, okay? And y'all see it. This is me and my hair after I finish applying all of the products on my hair. And y'all, my hair look like I just did a wash and go. Like, excuse me, Curlsmith, what is going on? What are you doing to my hair? And why am I just now learning of this concoction? Okay, so next is step 2, which is the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. This says to apply the primer, apply the scrub with your hands, and massage vigorously to clarify, breaking down dirt and build up, and then to rinse thoroughly. Now again, I was confused by the texture. This was more watery, like it did have a slimy consistency to it, but it wasn't thick at all, and it didn't feel like a normal shampoo. But it does say a wash and scrub detox probiotic. Now I'm not exactly sure what that means, but y'all, I didn't need a lot. Y'all saw how much I applied, and I did apply a little bit more, but y'all see how my hair is like setting up. Like it was super thin, and again, it smelled just like the primer, which was kind of sweet, and it was doing it. Like I couldn't feel the scrub, like the minerals and whatever. You know how you get those scrub detox shampoos and you can feel the like abrasiveness in it? I didn't have to do that, and I didn't have to feel it. It didn't hurt or anything like that. It smelled good, it felt good, and I actually felt like my hair was getting clean. I did apply a little bit more because that's just me, but y'all, my hair, I think it was liking it. This is a new texture of shampoo or hair wash that I have not tried before, so it was new to me. But I did what it said. I scrubbed. I didn't do it vigorously, but I did it like a good amount. It says that the probiotics are microorganisms that can be found on the human body, and they can also be microflora, and they form the scalp's protective barrier. That is new to me. This wash and scrub detox contains probiotic cultures, apple cider vinegar, we love that, grated ginger root, dragon fruit juice, gentle fine scrub, wild nettle leaves, and guarana extract. Basically the same thing as the primer. It also states on the back of the bottle that our scrub is made of gentle natural particles. Its texture is incredibly fine and you will barely feel it, so it can effectively exfoliate the scalp and wash off without leaving any residue. And I totally agree with that. Once I felt like I got my hair good enough, I scrubbed my scalp, massaged in my hair and everything like that. I rinsed it out, and y'all, my hair, oh my god, this is the softest my hair has ever felt when I rinsed out a shampoo or a wash or a cleansing product. Y'all just don't know. Like, Curlsmith, what are you doing to me? Like, hello. Y'all, why y'all didn't put me on earlier? Because I'm not understanding why. But once rinsing my hair out, y'all see my hair, it looks so shiny. The curls are clumping. Like, girl, who is this and where I get her from? But I wanted to check my scalp because that's the whole thing about this system, is for like scalp health and scalp care. Y'all, my scalp felt fresh, refined. It looked brand new. It didn't hurt. It felt so good, and I definitely will be adding this to my detox routine. Okay. Alright, so next we have step 3, which is the postbiotic calming conditioner. Now y'all know I'm not really a conditioner gal, but I said I'm gonna give it a try because it's in the system. Okay, so it says apply generously as a last step, coating all strands evenly, and for added moisture, let the pH balance conditioner sit for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing off thoroughly. Okay, so like I said, I'm not a conditioner gal, but I did like the consistency. It felt like a conditioner and it felt really good. Once again, my hair was like really soaking this up. I don't like that it has a pump on it because while it's not super thick, it's thicker than everything else in this collection, and it just needs a tub container. Okay, that's just what I'm gonna say. It says that their scalp recipe is designed to help create the best environment for hair follicles, and the ingredients are a little bit different on this. It says it has hyaluronic acid, which is great for moisture. It has peppermint oil, and I definitely felt that on my hair. My hair was tingling a little bit, not too much, but a little bit. It has the tea tree leaves, the lavender and thyme, the biotin complex, and the mashed amla. I don't know what mashed amla is, but whatever they put in here is so good. Okay, it's so good. Oh, and on the back it states that hyaluronic acid is known as a moisturizing miracle. Just 1 gram of it can hold up to 6 liters of water. We've applied the same science to help restore scalp moisture and rehydrate dry, tired hair. That is great. Oh my god, I did not know that. Y'all, Curlsmith is really doing the thing. Like, I'm not a conditioner gal, but okay, y'all probably gonna get me, but I would buy all these products. Like, I just really would. Like, look at my hair, how it's curling right now. I put the conditioner on, like I said, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. I probably let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes just because I detangled and then twisted each section up, and then I let it sit for about 5 minutes. But y'all, this collection is doing it for me. Okay, now this is the last collection in their like set that they give you, the system, but I also have the deep conditioner. We're gonna get into that, but y'all look at my hair once I have the conditioner in it. Look at it. It's defined, it's weighed down, it look good, the curls feel good, and my hair feels so soft, y'all. So I cannot remember the last time my hair felt this good, and I really do think that I did get a good detox out of this, and I'm about to rinse it out, as I just said in the video. But y'all, I really like this. Now when I was rinsing it out, it didn't feel dry. The conditioner did what it had to do. Okay, and I'm not a conditioner gal, like I said, so this was like kind of crazy for me, but my hair was soft, the curls were defined. I need to start rinsing my hair with cold water after conditioner and deep conditioners, but I haven't got to that phase yet because it's just be so cold. But y'all, look at my hair. The curls is there, the curls is defined. Y'all look. Oh, curls. This looks so good, okay? So good. Okay, so that's the end of the system, but I wanted to go ahead and try the deep conditioner. I've tried this before, but I wanted to try it with the system to see how it was. It smells exactly like the collection. It has a little bit of the mint in it, so it smelled a little bit of minty to me. But I just applied a good amount to my hands, and let's just read what it says. Okay, it says, after your regular wash routine, apply all over the hair from root to tip, and for a quick soothing boost, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. For a deep soothing treatment, leave on for about 30 minutes, then rinse. Now I left it on for like 5, and y'all see my hair? Y'all see it? It's just eating this up. Okay, it's eating this up. Now it says this is for all hair types, and it's to balance and nourish and intense hydration. I believe that. The first time I used it, it was so softening. I did fall asleep in it, but it still was softening. Okay, so for this, I didn't really like I don't know if I twisted everything up. I don't think I twisted the deep conditioner up just because I twisted the conditioner up, but I went ahead and detangled it again just to make sure everything was in there good. Okay, and y'all, this deep conditioner did its thing. So I'm going to apply it to each section. I'm going to put the section up, and then I'm going to let everything sit for about 5 minutes just to finish my shower. So after about 10 minutes, this is what my hair is looking like. I let it sit for 10 minutes, and y'all, the hair is looking mighty good, if I do say so myself. My curls feel good, and like it's really weighed down, which I like, but my hair feels so good, and my scalp is on point. Like my scalp is on point. But we're gonna go ahead and rinse this deep conditioner out. It did have that minty feeling, so my scalp was like feeling a little tingly, and I loved every minute of it. After rinsing out my hair thoroughly like the directions stated, this is my hair, and y'all, my hair feels and looks so darn good. Chef's kiss. Okay, I did want to show y'all the hair I lost, and I didn't lose a lot. And one thing I do want to state about these products is that a little goes a long way. I am one of those heavy naturals where I just feel like products need to be like thoroughly into my hair, but you don't have to do that with these products. They are a little bit on the expensive side, and I did get most of the things from Ulta, but y'all, Curlsmith is doing a dang thing, and it is doing it well. I would definitely be using these again, and I never get products with 10 out of 10, so this gonna have to get a 9.5 because there's always some improvement everywhere. But yeah, y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.